वेलकम टू मोतीलाल ओसवाल डिस्कवर। क्या आप जानते हैं कि L&T फाइनेंशियल होल्डिंग्स LTFH ने एक डेफिनेटिव एग्रीमेंट साइन किया है विद HSBC AMC इन विच HSBC AMC एक्वायर करेगी 100% स्टेक इन L&T इन्वेस्टमेंट मैनेजमेंट LTIM, द इन्वेस्टमेंट मैनेजर ऑफ L&T म्यूचुअल फंड LTMF for $42.5 crore US. In addition, LTFH entitled रहेगी to an excess cash of approximately 500 to 700 crore rupees in LTIM's books until the completion of the divestment acquisition. HSBC AMC merge करेंगे अपना existing asset management business September 2021 AUM of 11,700 crore rupees with that of LTMF September 2021 AUM of rupees 80,300 crores. Subject to all regulatory approvals, L&T Financial Holdings expect करते हैं that the transaction will be completed in next 9 to 12 months time frame, that is by December 2022. हम believe करते हैं कि LTFH will utilize the proceeds primarily for risk capital, improving the provisioning cover, and only a small portion for growth capital given its already healthy capital adequacy. Alternatively, part of the gains of this transaction can be paid out as dividends. ये कंबाइंड एंटिटी इंडस्ट्री में 12th लार्जेस्ट प्लेयर हो जाएगी इन टर्म्स ऑफ टोटल AUM of approximately 94,000 crore rupees. In terms of product mix, while HSBC AMC garners 56% of AUM from liquid and debt schemes, LTMF derive करते हैं 59% of its AUM from equity and balance schemes. The combined entity command करेंगे 43% from liquid and debt schemes and 56% from equity and balance schemes. Equity assets earn करते हैं higher yields 80 to 90 BP versus debt 35 to 40 BP and liquid 12 to 14 BP schemes. L&T MF के पास higher share of retail assets है which are relatively stickier in nature. Retail contributed 32% and 11% of AUM for LTMF and HSBC AMC. The combined entity command करेंगे 29% of retail assets. Among listed peers, UTI AMC with an AUM of 2,30,000 crore rupees is the closest to L&T MF at 81,200 crore rupees. In terms of market capitalization to AUM ratio, UTI AMC trade करता है at 5.6%, whereas PE on an annualized first half financial year 2022 earnings stands at 18.2x. As per the deal, Contour's L&T MF's assets have been valued at 4.6% of AUM and 19.3x annualized. First half financial year 2022 PE, which appears reasonable. L&T Financial Holdings bottom के near है in terms of consolidation of its loan book and should start exhibiting loan growth in second half of financial year 2022 with an expected pickup in infra disbursement and retail housing LAP. Further, divestment of the asset management business to HSBC AMC is in line with L&T Financial Holdings' objective of unlocking value from its subsidiaries and strengthening its balance sheet for the lending business. Given its healthy capital adequacy of over 25% and expected proceeds from the sale of the MF business, L&T Financial Holdings अब ऐसे पोजीशन पर है to aggressively push forward towards its stated long-term goal of retailization of its lending portfolio. We maintain buy rating on the stock with an unchanged target price of rupees 110.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.